Alrighty, everyone, what's going on? So this is my 2006 CB250, and I bought it from a dealership with whatever they would like to call a 40-point inspection, in and out 40-point inspection, whatever. I've had an excellent time with this bike, not a single issue so far, other than a few things I'd like to obviously ask about. For one, when it's around 50 degrees, which it is right about now. It's the warmest day we've had. It's January, so it's about 50 degrees. I get this little honking noise. I can't tell if like the starter clutch is cracked or just... Man, I have no idea. This is my first bike. I would love to get my hands dirty if I can, but obviously if it's out of my, like if it's too much, then I'll have to bring it somewhere. But it doesn't do anything to the bike. It starts up instantly and it sounds perfectly fine. It's just in this colder temperature, it actually seems to struggle to start up just briefly. It makes that honking noise, but the second it goes past 50, 55 degrees, it'll just start up like a hot summer day, like every time. Perfectly good. But any colder, it gives me that weird struggle. It's like as if something is slipping, something's too cold to kiss. I don't know, but let's see if we can hear it this time. It's about 50 degrees, and I want to see if we can catch this honk in action. Let's see what we got here. There it is. And the choke. There it is, about the second time. So, interesting for sure. If anybody has any potential insight on what that is, please let me know. Thanks guys, thanks for taking a look.